How to sell PDF on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to sell digital products like PDF on your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the left side of your screen and then click apps, this one. And then in the search box, you can search digital product that and search on App Store. And then you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Now you have a lot of option here, but what we're looking for is a digital downloads from Shopify. This one you can click on it. And as you can see, this is the app. And as you can see, the developer is Shopify, so it's official app. And now you can, see the features or you can read the review, but we're gonna just install it. And then after you read the terms and condition, you can just click install. And in the digital downloads, you can just follow the tasks. There are three tasks here. So you can just upload the file. So upload the file, the PDF file you want to uh, add to the products. And then you can just configure your products, and after that you can just configure your fulfillment settings, and then you will be done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.